Hey guys, this is James. Now, I am super excited to let you know 27th May 2022, Ezy Multistores is launching. Now, I got a review of Ezy Multistores coming up, and it is going to blow your mind away when you see how easy it is to set up e-commerce stores. Now, this is not a push button, one click system, which is going to make you a millionaire overnight. You need to put in work and watch this demo that is coming up now to get an idea of what Ezy Multistores can do for you.
Hey, have you been struggling with getting successful with e-commerce affiliate marketing? Or worse yet, have you gotten this frustrated because you've been kicked out by Amazon or you've not been approved by Amazon because you've not had your first sale yet? Then look no further. Introducing Ezy Multistores, a cloud-based platform that allows you to quickly create profit-generating e-commerce affiliate stores in 60 seconds without the traditional API issuance or approval hassles. Nothing to install, no website needed, complete plug and play system. Join me as we have a quick drive of Ezy Multistores. Right on Ezy Multistores dashboard, the journey starts with you creating your first affiliate store. It all starts with creating new store. Give the store a display name of your choice. So we call this Smart Store. We hit and save. Great. Ezy Multistore successfully creates a smart store login access for you, which you can access right at the bottom once you scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to find this right there. So hit on login to store. Once you log into your store, Ezy Multistore takes you on the first onboarding to brand your store. So we call this again Smart Store. And you have to set up your subdomain. We still call this Smart Store. We hit on Create Store. At this point, you will launch into your newly created affiliate store dashboard. So go straight to setting up our online store front end. To do so, we want to select our first theme. We have 8 themes you can select from to select. So we just go ahead to select Athletic e-commerce. So we hit on Switch Theme. Once you've successfully set your theme, you can then come over to the gear menu icon right here to click to customize your theme. So you can go ahead to set your sliders, go ahead to set your banners as well as the shoes link. So quickly get this over to your online store and set your logo. So hit on choose file to select your logo from the local machine. So right here we have the Smart Stores. Hit to upload. Great, so once you've successfully set up your logo in your store front end is already taking shape. So we then go over to the product category to create our first category with which we're going to import our affiliate e-commerce products into. So right here we want to create a product called this add product or category. We're calling the shoes and we hit on save. Great, if you've successfully created our category, next you go to the search product menu. On the search product menu we have search Amazon, search Walmart, search eBay, Best Buy. We hit on search Amazon to get our first product bundle imported from Amazon. So right here you can see a notice for new affiliates. So for new who have not been approved or been kicked out before, but you own an associate account with Amazon, then you can use our plugin, our Chrome extension plugin that comes along with your account. You can see where my cursor is hovering. That is our Chrome extension. So how will you go about using this Chrome extension? First, you need to come over to Amazon. Right on Amazon, just type in shoes or whatever choice of keywords you want to choose for the products you want. Once it searches out your choice product, so you have your product collections right here. So once you have this like this, all you need to do, click on our companion Chrome extension plugin. So once you click on the companion Chrome extension, you see Amazon selected and you have all the products identified on this page is 90. So we can come here to hit and copy, or you could click and run if all of these IDs are not showing. So you wait for the site to fully load and you have all of these IDs, then you can go ahead to copy. Copied, you then come over to importing your products. You define the category which you created, which you want these products to come into. Then you go ahead to define your Amazon IDs which you copied. So you just copy and paste that. You can see it. Then you come straight here to hit and search. You give this some couple of seconds to fully search out all of those product IDs you've gotten. So with Ezy Store or Multistore One Tool, you get all of these exciting results. You have your products imported. So at this point, you can go ahead to select the number of shoes you want. Selecting, all you need to do, hit on import selected item. The same thing you also do across Walmart, eBay, and Best Buy. So let's quickly check out on Walmart. On Walmart, all you need to do, just specify the category you want to add this to, and you could be more specific with your kind of shoes. So you could just say sneakers and you hit and set. Once you're done importing all your products and you're set to let your store go live, you want to start sharing your URL to promote your store, you have to do one more thing, and that you can do right on the settings, which will take you to what we call the deep links. Deep links allows you to associate your affiliate identity. With Amazon, you need to go straight on to your Amazon associate account. Right on your Amazon associate account, you're going to find this store level. So you need to copy this carefully out. So once you have this, you copy it out, take it back to your Ezy Multistore, and right inside of your deep link space, you drop it in there. Same also applies with AliExpress, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy. Once you're done, you hit and save. So at this point, we have deep link saved successfully. So we're then set to take our store live. You can come over here to hit on view store on a new tab. Whoa, this is amazing. Here we have our new affiliate store set up for us with our sliders fully in place, and you can confirm our logos. So once you scroll down, you can see your new arrivals, of course, your new products which you've imported into your newly created e-com affiliate stores, and you can see this really looking quite amazing. So if you scroll down, you can choose to select any of those products to check them out. You can also scroll to see the options of products we have in here. So at this point, you could go over to hit on view product. So right on view product, notice here you can of course get to see how many views you've gotten. You get to see the analytics, and if you've gotten persons who have clicked on your buy link, that takes them to the next page where they can make the outright purchase. You also get to know about it here, and you can also get to see those who are in your wish list to get instant notification on product stock status and any price changes. They can just put their email address and submit, and automatically Ezy Multistores will handle that. We have the notify me. This allows your customers, your prospects or visitors to your store to be able to set a certain price range for which they want to buy a choice product. So all they need to do, put their email address and set the price range, and automatically Ezy Multistores is going to handle all of that for you, that particular product. And interestingly, this also comes with review right here. You can all get the review video for this particular product. And when the visitor or your prospect comes over to hit on the buy button, this is what happened. So right on the buy button, if you look at the address bar at the top here, you notice here that our deep link was able to add our associate ID, which means every purchases that were made from this link now will certainly be made with my commissions to my affiliate account right on Amazon. This is really unique. This is really how powerful Ezy Multistores have really gone several steps ahead to make life quite easy for users. Now, if you come down to our settings right here, you get to see that there are several other configurations which you can do, especially within the notification section of this setup. At this point, you can enable email alert for your subscribers. You can turn this on, and if you have your personal SMTP settings, you can go ahead. If you don't want to use that from Ezy Multistores, you can set your own SMTP, and it's going to be sending out notification based on your personal SMTP. But if you don't have, not to worry, we already have all of that covered inside of Ezy Multistores. And of course, within your product import settings, you also have options to set your Facebook and Twitter notifications. For your set Facebook, you can share on Facebook when a new product is published. You can also share on Twitter when a new product is published. You can share on Facebook when a product price drops. You can also share on Twitter when the product price drops. So this also helps to carry along your store followers to help them know what is happening with your store. It also helps you to grow your followers and engagement on your social handles for your stores. And of course, you can set your SEO on your store as well as your custom domain. The truth is, Ezy Multistore is incredibly powerful. It is quite easy for wannabes as well as for those who have never gotten success with e-commerce affiliate marketing. This is your one-stop solution to get the success just before this year wraps up.
All right, people. So join me as I unpack more good stuff about Ezy Multistores beyond what you saw in the demo, and possibly some potential downsides that you need to consider before you jump in on this offer. Now, first thing I want to point out is that, as you saw in the demo, there's no way you can create these stores, e-com stores, within 60 seconds. You need to put in some effort in order to select the right products for your brand, your e-commerce brand or niche, as well as putting in effort to brand it and to make it look attractive. Now, this software is also touted to be AI assisted. Now, tell me which software today is not claiming to be AI? Maybe it is, but anyway, as we saw, it is pretty easy to set up your e-com stores. And they are providing you the ability to set up your e-com stores with 5 affiliate stores. Now, they state that this is the fastest. I'm not sure if this is the fastest compared to which technology, I'm not sure, but definitely from the demo, as we saw, it is fast. And there is no hosting or domain that is required. Now, there is a built-in system to help you generate free traffic from Facebook and Twitter. And these are the 5 affiliate networks that you can create or pull products in from. And you don't need an API, and they claim you don't need approvals as well. Now, I'm not too sure whether this is also possible with Amazon, and it comes with 8 high quality themes, as you saw as well. And during this launch period, there is a one-time crazy low price. So if you are just getting into the e-com niche or the make money online niche, then this is a great way to jump in because you don't need any product of your own or a service. You don't need a list of buyers. You don't need approvals or permissions, unless I guess probably for Amazon. You don't need to run ads to save your money. There is no coding skills or technical skills. You don't even need to create a website or a blog. There are no initial investments, and you don't need any prior experience at all. Now, here are some stats that will probably help you decide if this is the right business for you to enter in. Now, the pain points that Ezy Multistores helps you avoid if you are creating e-com stores using another route is that you don't need to spend hours of time brainstorming. You don't need to crack your head selecting a right, beautiful domain name. You don't need to hire someone to create your e-com web store, which will take time, and you need some deep pockets as well. You don't need to pay a designer more money from your pocket going down the drain. You don't need to manually select and add products, which will take you a ton of time. You don't need to hire an agency to help you market your online store. You don't need to hire a team to launch it and manage your online store. So with Ezy Multistores, things become easier for you as it is 100% cloud-based, so you don't need to learn WordPress. You can sell unlimited products from these 5 networks. There is a built-in system to generate free traffic. You can build a list of potential buyers right inside the software. So you just need to target and sell them over and over again. It comes preloaded with 8 templates. You can provide buyers with a new VIP shopping experience with the built-in notification system. So the license gives you the right to create multiple stores. It has a video content engine. It has social syndication price drop technology. It has seamless integration with email SMTP, customer wish list portal, search autologger, custom internal product search, price auto scaling. You can sort products, built-in social proof, free hosting, built-in analytics, full control over social automation, and easy front-end store configuration. And there are 4 bonuses. Number 1 is the free reseller license to instant profit stores. Second is the free white label license to Upreacher. Third is free reseller license to done for you lead funnel. And the last is free reseller license of Leads Profiter. So it comes with a 30-day no risk satisfaction based money back guarantee. And here are the OTOs. The first is Ezy Multistores Premium, going for $49 one time. Second is 50 done for you e-com affiliate stores, going for $149 one time. Ezy Multistores Unlimited Traffic, going for $95 one time. OTO 4, Ezy Multistores Reseller, price not indicated. And the 5th, Affiliate Marketing Coaching, price also not indicated. And the last OTO is Link-to-Matic, going for $47 one time. So there you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough of Ezy Multistores has shown you the power of this software in setting up e-commerce stores, or specifically affiliate e-commerce stores that are going to boost your business. Now click the link below and discover the bonuses that I have prepared for you when you pick up Ezy Multistores through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, select all notifications, and I wish you great success with Ezy Multistores.